looks like a whirlpool. You see how the water's going that way and that way? Looks like a big whirlpool, doesn't it?
Oh yeah. Let's go this way. We'll get a better view.
I don't want to stay down here too long because that's supposed to actually flood Seabrook. Like once it comes up, and that's coming up really fast.
Well, we better hurry up then.
Alright. Especially if it's got a whirlpool in it. Like, that looks a little dangerous.
Actually, ironically, the wind actually looks pretty calm.
Yeah, I'm not worried about the wind. I'm worried about getting stuck in flooding.
You wouldn't be saying that if it was Hurricane Charlie.
I wouldn't be out here if it was Hurricane Charlie.
You wouldn't even be in this state, would you? Too bad you can't evacuate with tornadoes because they form so quickly.
Yep. Go in safe place. That's about it.
Which is why we should get a basement. Or actually, I prefer a storm cellar.
Alright, I would get a view of that and a view of that, but don't go up on the bridge.
Holy crap, that's a lot of water. Guys, there is like usually only like not this much water here. This is from Florence. Like not even thunderstorms make this much water. Yeah, Florence is angry. Look at that. That looks awesome. Alright, I'm gonna go before I get killed.